Renee, I just had to call you. I'm so excited. Did you see the flyer from the Baptist Congress of Christian Education? We're invited to the Recharge Conference on September the 25th at 8 a.m. And it's only $25.
I'm reading it right now. I know it'll be great. But you know, I have arthritis in both knees. And when I talk with the wheeze. But it's on Zoom. And I can take one of those very timely classes right here in my room.
Yes. And you know, I have arch supports for my feet, and my steps are oh so slow. And as far as my energy goes, I ask, where did it go? But on September the 25th, I'll grab my ears out the drawer, my teeth out of the cup, my eyes off the table, and I'll jump right up. Because the task before us, Renee, is never as great as the power behind us. If we set the sail, God will make the wind.
I can't wait to be renewed by the preached word. And there are also 4 dynamic classes.
And I can recharge my knowledge on Christian education in a COVID world, and also how to handle teacher burnout in a digital environment.
I can recharge my spiritual and mental health.
Yes, we will learn the effects of church hurt, and we will be regenerated by the spiritual knowledge of all the teachers. This conference is the place to be to get recharged, renewed, and regenerated. And remember, September 25th from 8 a.m. to 1:15 p.m. Be there or be square.
I'll be there.
Thank you, Jesus. Goodbye, Renee.
Goodbye, Mom.
Carter at dytanion1@gmail.com. This message has been sponsored by our BCCE President, Gloria B. Irving.